10 practical tips to save electricity and reduce energy consumption. Embrace natural light. Open your curtains during the day to brighten your space with natural light. This not only reduces the need for electric lighting but can also boost your mood. Switch to LED bulbs. Replace standard incandescent bulbs with LED bulbs. LEDs are the most energy-efficient option, lasting longer and using less energy than CFLs. Turn off lights when not in use. Make it a habit to switch off lights when leaving a room. Every little bit counts. Unplug idle electronics. Many devices consume electricity even when turned off. Unplug chargers, electronics, and appliances when not in use to prevent standby power drain. Upgrade appliances wisely. Consider replacing old, inefficient appliances with energy-saving models. Explore air drying clothes or using a clothesline whenever possible to skip the dryer. Adjust thermostat strategically. Lower your thermostat in winter and raise it in summer by a few degrees. This small change can significantly impact energy consumption. Seal drafts and insulate. Properly insulate your home to maintain a comfortable temperature. Seal gaps around doors and windows to prevent heat loss or gain. Use smart power strips. Invest in power strips with on-off switches to prevent wasted energy by cutting power to devices when they are not in use. Limit hot water use. Use cold water for laundry whenever possible and take shorter showers. Heating water consumes a significant portion of energy. Be appliance aware. Be mindful of how many appliances you are running simultaneously. Turn them off when not needed, and choose energy-efficient options whenever possible. Remember, these small changes can collectively make a big impact on your electricity bills and the environment.